Ever hit that place order button a little too fast and then wished you could undo it? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to cancel an order directly through the Walmart app. It's simpler than you think and will help you shop with total confidence. First things first, open your Walmart app. Look for the account icon, usually found on the bottom navigation bar. Tap on that to access your account settings. On your account page, you'll want to find and select Purchase History or My Orders. This is where all your recent and past orders are stored. Now, locate the specific order you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view all the order details. Make sure it's the correct one before proceeding. Within the order details, you should see an option to cancel items or cancel order. This button is your key to doing that purchase. Go ahead and tap it. The app will likely ask you to confirm your decision. If you're canceling specific items, you may have the option to select which ones. Review your selections carefully. Once you confirm, your cancellation request will be submitted. Keep in mind that cancellations are time-sensitive. If your order has already been processed or shipped by the warehouse, you may not be able to cancel it through the app. You'll usually receive an email or an app notification confirming that your order has been successfully canceled. If you don't see the cancel option available, it likely means the order is too far along in the fulfillment process. And that's it. Managing your orders in the Walmart app is straightforward, allowing you to shop with peace of mind. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.